Today I'm going to show you how to clean your saxophone mouthpiece. Here are the items you're going to need to do that. Obviously your saxophone mouthpiece, some kind of bowl or container that you can put some water and vinegar into, distilled white vinegar, and some Q-tips. So what I've done so far is in this bowl I've already put half water and half distilled white vinegar. But the very first step we're going to do before we even get to that is we're going to try and just clean the inside a little bit with the swab. This is a saxophone cleaning swab. There's a weighted end on these swabs, and these can just get dropped right into the mouthpiece and you pull it through. Now hopefully you're doing this after every time you practice, because a lot of moisture gets stuck up in there even just after one practice session. So you should be doing this fairly frequently anyways, but just to make sure, let's do it now. One more time through should be pretty good. Once you've done that, you've got your half water, half distilled white vinegar solution. You can actually just drop the saxophone mouthpiece right in there. We don't want it to sit for too long. 10 to 15 minutes is okay. That way you can break up a lot of the gunk that might be stuck on the saxophone mouthpiece. So once you've waited about 10 to 15 minutes, you can go ahead and take it out. Take one of your cotton swabs, and we're just brushing along. I'll start on the outside first. If you have a mouthpiece patch, I've noticed that a lot of gunk likes to get stuck right on the edge of that mouthpiece patch. So even if you just use your fingernail, that's what I usually do, to sort of break up that the gunk on the edge there, that's a good way to start, and then you sort of brush it away with the cotton swab. You can rinse it as you're going too. And the really important part is to get inside of the mouthpiece. You can just do that with the cotton swab, rubbing on the inside. Make sure you go on both sides. And there you go. So once you've done that, I would let it air dry for a little while, and you should be all set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped.